Hello guys, good morning. Let's check the chart. Okay, I prepared something. So we have almost 5 minutes to London Open. Let's see. Let's back. The interesting from Monday. Don't trade now 2 days. Let's do 25. 500 pips. Let's push and leave here. Big gap. So right through they can go back to fill. Okay. What I said, Asia low, stronger sir here is what I said. Next line it's Frankfurt high. Oh. At the same time it was yesterday London sweep after he reversed and rejected. Continues again next. So I said it's interesting how retesting this EMA 50. It's going from open just up. Look this trend line. It's still going up. Sometimes we retest and continue, retest, continue, retest, continue, retest, continue. Just so probably continue up after open. If you don't go higher, but we close small red, it's a possible to take this big fill to 20 pips. Or we can make it up and after go down. In this clear way, not we going up on 10 pips. It's based on how open normal session. I also recommend set your stop loss around 50 pips or the pips take profit, and it's on the risk. Fund account from 0.25, 0.15, 0.50, 0.7. If you use 0.7 on never slip page, make for a bigger loss like 1%. Let's see how react here. But don't so like for me it's not too big possible moves in 40 seconds. This full night was nice volume. And almost 10 pips. We'll see. I'll open. You see this Frankfurt very nice open. And you wait, one candle, you wick down, start to push up, and here the wick fill you take 10 pips. 10 seconds. And you see stroboscoping. 5 seconds. Go down, and back. Okay, week done. Maybe not take from here because it's just so small week down and just a big push up, break, znowu dajwana, but fast. If pulling back in this area again break up, it's possible buy. Let's use our SR. Let's wait a little. If you catch here, not a bad, but this is so fast. And if you will try catch this, click here and open here. After pulling back here for the open, you're out. Okay, let's see how to continue. I try to avoid this mini-week down after pushing up and after up, down. Because you never know if don't create a normal week down, just start in a second and a half fly here. Walk away from this. No, we want 2 big candle to enter. Oh. I personally will wait this candle. It was nice, but not so confident. And if here, stop here and pulling back, take like a rubber effect, but doesn't do the rubber effect with this almost nothing candlestick. Look. It's a 0.3 pips and almost nothing. Yeah, 2 minutes. If leave for us, nice candlestick up. After make a wick down and start to push up. Bigger wick down and start to push up. We can go for a wick fill next candle. We'll see how finish this candle in 1.5 minutes and something. The very nice volume, but not nice breakup. It's almost 50 pips. Why I don't so believe this big big jump up. Let's see, unlock 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candle and nothing dodgy. Inverse bullish hammer almost. Normal candle. Almost inverse hammer. Here's the hammer. But signalize. You can flip to. What? In the last minute and start leaving 50 pips candlestick. It is nice for a weak fill. 20 seconds. Okay. The last minute, this is why we don't trade tickscalp based on forwards. 25 pips fallback. Oh, it's nice. don't matter. Don't bother. Okay, we done that. Okay, make a big carry down. It's okay. Now I flip and break. Yeah, I have the same candle. It's okay for a buy. For a sell, aggressively go after this big candle, but leave so big candlestick, but bigger body. That's a risk. It was a trade up in 2024. This when close full candle, make a little wick up, and also start to push down. Usually, enter to the buy is a little more risky now because after 20 pips push, we maybe continue up, maybe not. You don't continue up, I don't go for a sell. Yes, it's a liquidity graph from this candle, but in 2026 I skipping this trade, not so confirmed, and just also second break here and after go up, down, up, down, down. Let's see, look how to close. Let's see, we have 3 minutes still. If you're jumping on this candles like random, I pick no long-term months, years how to work because I don't so believe can work. Because here you can hit a slippage, whatever. Okay. Here, see this price, break, and reject. No, going up. Now, it's interesting. Next 1 minute, if you can break up or not. Let me check. Some next candle. We have still 2 minutes. The last minute, don't so try this candle because we can make a break up and after feel back full candle with 33 pips. 1.5 minutes. This could be for last minute. Let's see how to close. If lower here, make a wake up, and after continue down, we can prepare sell. Or if leave, candlestick, and on the peak for a quick fill. It's impossible. But the market is so stressed. It look like easy to scalp this big candle, but if you hit a big spread slippage. You understand why not? You think enter here, and also going back. Okay, pick up, done. Well, this will hit, it's very, very nice. Okay, let's just see how to react on this price. If we can break here. Start checking where we are exactly. Yes, when we break down there, it's not nice. Okay, let's go back check if we can break here or not. It's possible to sweep this whole price. It need to break. No. Once. Also rejecting. This way, for once, for first break out, I don't go in because making this fake is. If you enter, it's around 15 pips. If you same like me now, 10 to 10 to 15, yeah? 15 risk and 10 profit, pips. Then if you for a first break out go in, immediately you are out in 15 pips on 22 because you calculate 80 plus your spread. If you're a live account, low spread 0.12, in a big volume 0.4. But if you have a fund account in this volume, you can make 2, 4, 5, 6 pips. It means you reach 10 pips close to SL, you are out. Don't wait your real pips. You always calculate the pips. This is why I think 10 pips scalp, it's 10 pips stop loss scalp, no, it's not so good. So it's interesting. For a buy, opportunity maybe next candle, we close here higher, or we break and pull back, or the opposite here for a sell. Same what we prepare. So I just correct new low. Continue inside, no trade range. To buy no sell. And here's the buy area and break, and here the sell area and break out 2 to 3 times. GER40 is mostly slower like this, not so often to do. Time. Last 1 minute. But now we see trying to reverse full candle made from almost 50 pips. Pull it back. Almost 50%. 30 minutes. Seconds. After you'll see. Rejected, closed, open, rejected, and now look. Let's go closing in the last minutes. Are we fill? Don't make it GER40. Let's see where to close. Okay, you can low, click up, click down same. Start looking sideways a little. We'll see if it will be opportunity for a buy or not. It's based on how to break up. Or we have a good volume and again reject, and here breakdown. Now 10-15 on the island. Still volume, but not volume what I like. Because it's a big volume inside sideways after this big push on open. We have this first price. This SR. SR from yesterday. Asian SR. Okay, first. Second. Now don't make up back after break up. If you enter on break up, here it's a possible first exit. Close around 10 pips. Let's see between what is the more possible sweep. This week will was a best. For me, sometimes on the live it's going away. Close here or a little higher. But if you have 10-15 pips, I recommend to close. Here can big reject. Okay, sometimes when I check explain, is that X. No, it's okay. It's crazy. How here is the sideway candle sticks here can be stopped and don't stop, just a push. Okay. Someone take weak fill, what I say? Between here, till here, 30 pips push. Do the confirm work, but it was back on the chart. But minimum when you don't take a trade today, you can learn how working the weak fill. Just boom. Your 10 pips. Now breaking all the level where can be stopped. No, what to it now. There. Okay. Here's yesterday London Open. You see this price. this clear way, this copy. This is why so push. Okay. This copy from here. Start to push up. We going down. And after from here, this clear way take almost 4. Now at the market, after big push up without big up or pushing down. If now make big up and start pushing down, it's okay for entry. Till don't make big up and just start to push down. It's a market behavior, but can't believe always. Early maybe still okay, or it can flip without breaking this price. If you don't make a new lower low, it can break up. Let's check how much we have for a sweep. If break up, I can sweep this around 10 pips. Or copy this candle. 20 pips. Let's say yesterday New York high. Let's look for a market. It will be too much. We reached the London high, London sleep yesterday. Push up and trying to reach yesterday New York high. Before me, it's not a forcing some trades, but normally my rules don't crash. Yes, it's possible, but fully pushing down without big down, or if maybe a rubber effect down back, don't break it again down. It's okay, but for a rubber effect, you need a bigger volume like this. But it's a possible without big up enter. Checking rubber effect. Rubber effect it's like here, right down. After pulling back, can't flip, don't make coming up. After again break the point where last time stopping a push. It can be a low or a middle of candle where stop to push down and directly pull back after again break same price. It's still not so high confirmed and it's last minute. Replay always around this high, but make a new candle. Okay. This first push was nice, and after struggling and continue up. And now again we have last 20 seconds and playing with this price. Oh, right now pull back, right now pull back. The second new candle. Just around somewhere here. Not to fill the volume for tickscalping. Technically make a week up, start to push down. Let's look, it's 4 pips. Minus spread in, minus spread out, split. But what is a good signal after open make a week up? Don't break this level again. Now start to pushing down, but don't go be like here. Because need to see if you have volume, even if it's 10 pips. Almost 4 minutes. It's possible to sell, but more risky. Once. Pull back. Wants to see how to pulling back from our zone. Second. Good. Okay. Not sell and let's see the volume. It's an easy pullback. This is why I say it's more risky. But let's see. Don't have a so strange volume. It's a possible close between 5 to 10 pips. If you don't wanna risk. Okay. They're on 3, me personally. If somewhere here after the free breakdown, so you enter, you are around entry. We have time 2 minutes. It's pushing down, but pulling back same time. Start to pulling back more. You can take out us from the game. And you see, this is what I say, not the best volume for tickscalping. It's pulling back and after bang, 10 pips break down again. And now it's making again. So going up and out. Okay, it was a risky trade. 2 pips breakdown. I don't play now with a high risk. This is why I try. If you wanna test something on this scalping, you must low risk on a live chart. It isn't work anyhow. C trader was a good backtest in the past. It doesn't work now. It's a work, but the VPS turn off, but use their C trader, and now it's just not going real time backtest. Okay, that's for today, guys. see tomorrow. Sometimes small losses, accept. It's okay. It's part of the game. When I say bye bye.